guys, we have a signal light that it's not working, so we need to try to figure out how we're gonna do it. So let's see if my hubby can do this. Is that a signal light? I hold on. So he pulled it out, so let's see if we could change the light bulb. So I kind of first time learned to use my hand to make a signal.
Oh, you asshole.
It's not. How did you pull this thing out? You had the clip right there, both sides right there.
That's what I'm trying to put it in.
You had to kind of pinch those plastic pins it.
You can't pinch
Yeah,
it,
like
honey.
that.
It's solid.
Oh. I think it slides. Yeah. No, straight down.
Was it?
They don't look the same. It should work. What's the other one number? It's not the right one? It don't work at all?
No, it's the wrong one.
So that one slides.
Yeah, this one. It's not
So
the right
we can go right here. We can get out in here and go right in here. There's another place we can
Where?
go and get. Just follow me. We will go where we're gonna go, guys, and get a different light bulb replacement on this because we have a wrong size. So we're gonna go to a little parts store for the vehicle and then get some. Okay, later. So we found the light bulb, so we need to change. So there we go. We are in auto zone. There you go, guys. So, oops. Thank you.
No problem. No problem.
So we got the light bulb, so we're gonna go ahead and wait for my honey to replace. Everybody's opening the door and I'm over there walking like a buang. And there's my honey, and he's going to replace this, guys. Seeing the light bulb, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe if it works. So we'll see. Hopefully I can go inside and check it out if the signal will turn after he changed it. Wait. There. Okay, focusing back to him. And it looks like it clicks. Okay, he's putting it on to the light right there, guys. Honey, I'm gonna go inside and turn on the car and let's see. Honey, let it videoing, so I turn on the signal.
You gotta hit the signal.
I did. I'm turning. It's still ting. There's another one is not right. It's ting. Maybe this one. So we haven't got it right. Looks like we have another problem. It's blinking pretty fast over there. See, guys, it's making a lot of signal fast sign on there. So we're going to see if the other one will work, if it's doing the same. Maybe the one that you pull is the wrong one. No, it's not.
The spare.
Okay. We haven't figured out yet our problem. But anyway, let's see. Someone is trying to assess us to make this thing right. We have no light, so we'll wait. See, guys, you don't argue with a man when he knows that's the one, and then when you prove them it's wrong, you're in trouble. You say where I'm at, guys? Auto Zone. So we're over here trying to get our light fixed, and of course you just see the airplane right above my head just pass through. Okay, let's see. You see the blinker, it's really moving fast, so that means our light, it's not working when you turn your signal. Guys, look, it's beautiful weather today, and you can see all the trees are starting to turn like fall. Look at that. This is where the area that we are stranded right now to fix our signal light. Ha! Ilongga. Nothing to do this morning, is just to fix whatever needs to be fixed. And of course, we're having a little problem of finding the parts of this vehicle. So let's see. Let's see if we get the right one.
Yeah, it came out with two different ones.
Aha! That's why it's just keep blinking.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Gotta
can
be
see
the
my
right.
kitchen.
Hey, I was right the first place when I told you it's this one. Ah, look at that! It's still blinking.
You imagine.
Okay, we got saved.
Don't worry
Now I
about
don't
it.
have to stick my hand outside the
I think I might
window.
have left the can inside, probably.
No, I just put it inside
Oh, okay.
there.
Don't throw stuff like that, young lady. I thought I was messing up too.
See, look at them. I'm just trying to put some more video on my YouTube. That's why.
Try to take a picture of me?
No, I haven't. You want me to take a picture
Oh,
on you?
heck no, that'll break the camera.
Yeah, that's true. So I'm just take a picture of your hand.
Okay, I got these there.
Yeah, look at that. Just your hand. That's perfect. But he's nervous. Ayan, he got it right.
You got it.
Yeah, look at that. We got blinking light.
Pleasure, my friend. Pleasure. Thank you for your service.
Well, we got it right. It's working. So finally, we're gonna go back and pick up our tire, and then bring my honey to his appointment. All right. Thank you guys for watching. This is Ilongga on the Farm, and my love right on the background. Bye bye.